Alright guys, today just doing the accessory belt. I got a Gates, this one's called Fleet Runner, it's their heavy duty one, and a tensioner, also Gates. Get out of here. Germany. This engine is German, so it's probably the OEM part, but so I got a little bit started here. You have to take like the intercooler piping off to get to the belt. So originally what failed is tensioner pulley. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah. Get my finger on it. Yeah, right here. This pulley failed. But when if you could see there on the tensioner, the part broke off. I'll show you on the new one right here. That's the part where you put your 12-point socket on to relieve the tension. I guess this tensioner was so old and it was stuck, so I'm going to replace that anyways. Only problem is that now I can't relieve the tension, so the best way to do that now is just to cut the belt off and be careful nothing goes flying. But so first you gotta just take off the intercooler piping. This is the one going to the turbo. You don't want to take it all the way off because you'll mess up this O-ring on the edge of the turbo here. Just want to loosen this bolt right here, and then you have the silencer right down at the bottom. Just take that off the edge of this other pipe here, and comes up top here too. It's two little clips. Where are they? Here's the bottom one, and the top one is in my mess in here, right here. But I'll record while I'm putting it all back together. So what we got today, only -4, not too bad, but let's get this finished so we can drive her again. Okay, I got the belt cut. You can see it down there. The tensioner's moved like ½ an inch, so still have tension on it. Okay, so I'm gonna get that tensioner out. There's one bolt down there you can see on it, and then we'll put the new belt on and tensioner and put it back together. Got the tensioner, got it starting to come out here. Actually had to use a big breaker bar to get it loose first. There's just not a lot of room to get your hands in there, and I think routing the belt is going to be interesting, so that'll be fun. Okay, got the old tensioner out. Here's the bolt for it. It's pretty long. Ended up taking it out from underneath. It was easier, there's more room. But so here's the new tensioner. Bearings nice and tight, no play. And here's the old one. I don't know if you could hear that pretty good. There we go. And you see it's pretty wobbly. It's hard to tell, but yeah, there's a lot of play. This one is pretty tight. But yeah, so let's get that in. the belt on. I think like once you figure out the routing, I had that picture. It seemed to go pretty well. Now I just gotta pull the pin out of the tensioner. Okay, so the next thing I have to put on is this belt guide right here. It's got these two 8mm bolts, and the belt runs through it, and that's where also your intake resonator bolts onto.